Hey, everyone! Welcome back! And today we're diving into the world of classic comfort food with a timeless favorite. Potato salad. If you're a fan of picnics, barbecues, or just good old-fashioned home cooking, you're in for a treat. Before we jump into the recipe, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss our delicious recipes. Now, let's get started. Here are the simple ingredients you'll need for this classic potato salad. Let's dive in. Step 1. Boiling potatoes. First things first, we need perfectly cooked potatoes. I've got some Yukon Gold potatoes here. Peel and cube them into bite-sized pieces. Now, bring a pot of salted water to a boil and gently add the potatoes. Cook them until they're fork tender. But make sure not to overcook. We want them firm, not mushy. Step 2. Preparing dressing. While our potatoes are boiling, let's whip up the dressing. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix it well. Step 3. Adding flavors. Now, let's add some crunch and flavor. I've got some finely chopped celery and red onions here. Add these to the dressing for that extra kick. And don't forget the hard-boiled eggs. They add a rich creaminess. Step 4. Assembling the salad. Once our potatoes are ready, drain them and let them cool slightly. Then, gently fold them into the dressing mixture. Be careful not to break the potatoes. We want them to hold their shape. Step 5. Chilling and serving. Now, cover your bowl and let the flavors meld in the refrigerator for at least an hour. This allows the potato salad to chill and the flavors to intensify. And there you have it. Our classic potato salad is ready to be served. It's the perfect side dish for any occasion. Creamy, tangy, and oh so satisfying. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you give this classic potato salad a try, let me know how it turns out in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!